To you. Blow the candle.
Now grab the candle. Take the candle away.
Yay.
Oh.
For it, love.
Go ahead, Bubby.
That's all
Eat
yours.
the cake.
Push a little closer. Yeah.
That's
Mmm.
all you.
Eat the
Dive
cake.
in.
Give him a second.
Really takes a bite.
He's like, let me try it first.
Yummy.
So wait a minute, I'm told I can't eat sugar, can't have it.
There he goes.
Well, okay, I'll take some more then.
Is that good? Come on, go for it. Put his hand in it, John. It won't go in.
Oh.
Is that good?
Look, just cut him a piece, it's probably
Let him have fun.
Oh, he'll just smash it everywhere. It's
smash.
okay. Oh.
Okay, you decided that's okay.
That's good. Mm.
good.
Is that good, big boy?
The bites keep getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
We might need some milk.
Milk.
His cup's in the fridge.
Okay, he has like a red mouth like the Joker now.
Hi, sweet boy. Yeah.
As I recall, his mother wouldn't even eat the cake.
Nope.
She played with it but didn't eat it.
No, she didn't like the icing, the feel of it.
Good.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. Is that good, Bob?
You're funny.
Nom nom nom.
You didn't get sleepy.
He'll fall asleep at the table.
Isn't that sweet? Yum. Oh, yeah.
He's like posing.
Definitely probably.
I think he's a happy boy right now.
Look how dear.
So why is everyone staring at me?
Nope.
All eyes.
So get that milk out of my mouth. I can...
Lands on the cake.
Mmm.
Look at that picture.
Oh,
Take him to work.
normally he would go for the Mickey, but you know, he knows better than that now.
Did you work tonight?
You know that's not edible.
Oh.
Mickey Mouse. Yeah, hi, Mickey. You say cake? Elijah, say cake. Cake. He says cacker.
No, does he really?
Yeah, cacker.
Elijah. Yeah. Cake. Cake. Is that good?
I've never seen a little one say,
He's done that since he started eating food.
But during cake time, this is so sweet.